Tone police is asking me if I've fully healed because my tone just doesn't appear to sound like that. Let's talk about it. Bullshit belief that you're fully healed, as if you're at one of those things where someone grabs your head and you're like, you are healed. That's not how trauma works. Trauma is about how you manage your reaction after an event. And when trauma is stored in your body, those are pathways, those are physiological reactions that your body has learned to feel when it gets triggered. And so it's about managing those reactions, and it's not as if they can't get triggered all the time. And so it's really about managing that. So let's nail that one down first. And two, this idea that rather than focusing on the content of what I'm talking about, people focus on how it sounds and then project a judgment. Again, that's a lot of the problem. That's a lot of the problem that I'm actually speaking to, of how people can't actually, my advice, this was a PSA to encourage people to actually think about who they're consuming from. And instead of asking, hey, what are your qualifications? What have you done? What are you saying? All this stuff. Asking questions that expand, you ask questions around you, meaning him and other people. Ask questions around my tone. Better bet, there's a lot of biases around that. And so, again, going back to the original video, think about who you listen to. If you are going to speak up, instead of tone policing, how about exploring what was the meaning there? What was the content? What was the things? That's where you expand the conversations. Cheers.